Nope, nope, nope. Nope, nope, nope. Nope, 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 nope. Hey spooky people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a fabulous 2023 so far. I am here in my new house, finally. I'm so excited to be able to say that. And the room I'm in right now is actually my new office, where I'm going to be filming all of my YouTube videos from now on. And I think that's really exciting. To finally have a designated space where I can film and edit is really exciting. And keep an eye out for my next video where I transform this room into a spooky Beetlejuice theme, which will be very exciting, so you don't want to miss that. But today's video, I have for you another Redbird vintage box. This is actually the December box that I never got around to opening, because I got this as well as my unique vintage dress of the month. I got them in the mail at the same time right before I moved, so I figured better to wait to open it until I moved. But unfortunately, I cannot find my dress of the month right now. My garage has become sort of a catch-all for all of the things that we haven't unpacked yet, so this was in my garage, and I'm pretty sure my dress of the month is as well. I was able to find this, but my dress of the month is still MIA right now. When I find it, I will show it to you guys. I don't know when that'll be, but for now, I do have December's Redbird vintage box, so let's open it and see what's inside. I remember I did request a few things. However, I can't exactly remember what I requested because it's been a while. It's the end of January now, so I requested this over a month ago. One thing that I definitely do remember requesting was a Dash Hound brooch. Because as you guys know, if you follow me for a while, then you've seen my pets most likely. I have a wiener dog named Penny. She's very sweet and I'm obsessed with her. So I saw that there was a wiener dog brooch up for grabs and I requested that. So I was told that that should be in here. So I'm looking forward to that. And other than that, I honestly don't remember what I requested. Who knows at this point? So it's a complete surprise. And let's open it up and see what's in here. Pink paper on top again. I'm gonna open it. Ooh. So it looks like my piece of flair this month is this really pretty gold leaf brooch. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'll take it apart and then give you guys a closer look at it. I might have got some clothing. That's exciting. Never got clothing before. I know I did. I think I might have requested a few shirts, so that might be what these are. Only one way to find out though. Okay, so here is the brooch up close. As you can see, it is gold and very shiny, and it has like a little, almost pearl looking stone on the front. And then on the back, it just has like the typical, you know, pin or brooch clasp. It closes like this. It just has the little mechanism to close right there. But I think this is really pretty. This would even look really nice with this sweater, I think, if I wore it like this. This is perfect for fall, though. I know it is winter right now, but I could totally see myself wearing this in the fall. Love this. Okay, so back to our stack here. I'm gonna take this bag off the front. I'm assuming this is my wiener dog brooch, but it kind of feels like there might be more than one thing in here, so maybe I got a couple pieces of jewelry. Well, guess we'll see. My note this month says, Caitlin, I hope you love your box. Thank you, from Sarah. Now I'm gonna go ahead and open my little bag. If you guys have watched my other Redbird vintage videos, then you know that these little bags, I always put the jewelry in here. Okay, so we definitely have more than one thing in here. Okay, so I definitely have my wiener dog brooch, so cute. And I got a spoon I think I did request this from the YouTube video, but let's open them up and get a closer look at them. So I got this really pretty, looks like a teaspoon, but it's probably also like to mix drinks. As you can see, I hope you can see it. It has like an Aztec vibe, especially with like the little guy up here, almost looks tiki. And then as you can see, hopefully you can see, along the handle here, it says Cancun. So I'm assuming somebody bought this in Cancun as like a souvenir. I remember now that I see this, I believe I remember she had a few of these and I asked for one, so she gave me the green one, which is cool. I love green. And I think this is really pretty. The design on this is very intricate. It says Alpaca, Mexico on the back, which I'm assuming is where this was made. I'm not sure how old this is. And I think this is really pretty, and I'm going to put it in my new curio cabinet. So yeah, that's my first item. Next, I'm going to take out my wiener dog brooch and show you guys that. I really love getting some pieces that aren't jewelry, because jewelry is great. We all love jewelry, but sometimes you want something a little different, so I think that spoon is really cool. Yep, and this is my little wiener dog brooch. So as you guys can see, here is my wiener dog brooch. As you can see, the body is black, and the nose and the ears are these really pretty amber colored gemstones. This looks even better in person than it did online. I'm so happy that I noticed this and requested it. Sarah had a huge table of like little brooches and pins and stuff like that, and then I saw this like all the way in the corner, and I messaged her a screenshot, and I'm like, is this a wiener dog? And she's like, yeah, it is. And I was like, sold, give me that. And it looks even better in person. It's really pretty. And then if you flip it over on the back, it has just a little pin clasp. And I think this is super cute to just wear on a sweater or a jacket. I think I'll probably put this on one of my jackets that I wear pretty often, just so you guys can see it every time I wear it. But I think this is so cute. And I love that his nose and his ears are a different color than his body. I think that's like a really nice little touch. It doesn't really say anything on the back, like where it was made or when or anything like that. But I think this is just so precious. I'm obsessed with it. This is it for the jewelry portion of this video. Now what is left is the clothing. It looks like I actually have 3 things in here, which is awesome. This white one kind of feels like a sweater, but I'm not sure. Yeah, I really don't know. I don't remember requesting these. I definitely could have. Most likely I did, and I just forget because it's been so long. But yeah, there's definitely a decent amount of things in here, which is really cool. And I'm excited to open them up and see what they are. And I'm even more excited to try them on. Pulling off the pile here first. It's white, and it almost has like polka dots on it, but as you can see, they're like triangular shaped. And it's got a collar and a little tie. As you can see, it's long sleeved. And it has like little cuffs around the sleeves. This shirt is really cute, and I'm very excited about this. This is definitely something I could wear to work, so I really like that. And here's how it looks far away. I'm gonna show everything and then I'll try it on last. This says Cape Cod Matchmates. I'm assuming that's the brand. Made in USA, so you know it's old. 100% polyester. Size 16. Okay. So I'm not sure how old this is. Maybe 70s? 80s? I'm not really sure. But I think this is really nice. Hopefully it fits me. How Sarah does clothes is that she'll hold them up and like tell you the measurements. She'll be like bust up to this size, waist up to this size. And then if you see something that is your bust size, you can request it. So I gave her my measurements, and like I said, I probably requested this one. It's just been a while. But I really like this top. Next, I was right. This is a sweater. It's this really cute white sweater with plaid buttons and collar, and it has a little Scotty dog in the middle. Now, I definitely remember requesting this. I know I did ask for this one, so I probably requested the others as well. It's all coming back to me now. This one is made by Alfred Dunner. It's a size 14. This is really cute too, because even like the sleeves have a little plaid button on them. And the plaid is like a deep red, and it has like green and stuff in it. I think this sweater would be really nice around the holidays, winter and stuff like that. I think I could definitely wear it now as well, being that it is January. And it's got this detailing down the front too, like the stitching that I think is really interesting. And it's cut in the back, like on the bottom, almost like a men's like dress shirt. How it's kind of like circular. So that's pretty cool. I think this would be really cute, like tucked into a skirt as well. I can't wait to try it on though and see how it looks. This is also very soft. And it's like a very nice thick material. And like I said, it is very soft. It says it's cotton and polyester. If I were to guess with this, I would say this might be from the 90s. Maybe 80s. I'm just thinking back to like growing up like in the 90s. Like I feel like this is something my mom would have had. So kind of reminds me of that time period. And then the last item I have here is another blouse. This is definitely a thinner material, pretty lightweight and kind of see-through. So this is definitely more of like a summer shirt. It's got this pretty like metallic reflection. I don't know if you guys can see it. Maybe you can see it better on the back. But it's almost like shimmery. And then it buttons down the front, and it's got all of these flowers on it in green, blue, red, and yellow. And there's like, it's really busy towards the top, and then it kind of like fades into more white space down at the bottom. This top's made by Alex Coleman Sportswear. I like how this buttons all the way down the front, and I think this neckline is nice. I like that it's not too much of a high neck for summer and stuff like that, so you won't get like too overheated in it. But I think this is like a really cute shirt for like vacations and stuff like that. Like I could just see like wearing this at like a resort or something. But I think it's really cute. So I'm very excited to go try all of these on. Meet you guys back here in top number 1. If you remember, it was the one with the tie on the front and the triangular polka dots. I really like this top. It is a little bit tight, like around my bust and then kind of around my waist here. I think that as it gets warmer and I am more active, I might lose a few pounds and then it'll fit me better. Because I always gain weight around the holidays. But overall, I really like this shirt. This bow is very cute. I like the collar as well. I like everything about it. I just wish it was a little bit bigger. But like I said, I think as it warms up, I'll probably drop a few pounds and then it'll fit better. It does gap here, as you can see. The tie kind of covers it though. This shirt is also a little bit short, as you guys can probably see. Like you can see my stomach if I go like this. But I think like maybe tucked into a skirt or something, this shirt would be very cute. I'm definitely gonna hold on to it and see if it fits me better in a few months. On to shirt number 2. Okay guys, here is shirt number 2. This is the one that was kind of the sweater material with the little Scotty dog on the front. I have it buttoned all the way up because I feel like if I unbutton it, then you won't see the Scotty, so I feel like it kind of has to be worn like this. But I will say that the neck is very tight. Also, the sleeves are very tight on this one too, just like the last one. Here's how it looks. You can see it is, like I said, cut kind of in that men's style, which I think is interesting. You can see the plaid on the buttons and the cuff. I do like this top as well. It's definitely more roomy and very soft. Okay guys, and here is shirt number 3. I think I have to say this might be my favorite out of all of them in terms of fit and also the material. This one's very stretchy and very comfortable. The only thing I think is kind of weird is that I feel like there needs to be another button here at the bottom because it kind of just like hangs open. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that, but I don't know. I feel like it needs another button. Unless, you know, I could wear it, like kind of like tie it in the front like this, which I do with some of my shirts anyway. But I think the shirt is really pretty. And this neckline is super interesting. It almost looks Asian inspired to me. I think it's really pretty. And I love the colors of it. I can definitely see myself wearing this during the summer on vacation. This one is super nice. Okay guys, so I am back. That is it for my Redbird vintage box for December. I hope you guys loved everything that I got in my box as much as I did. I really like this box. I think it was so unique, totally different than anything I've ever got from them before. I love the clothes. They all fit and they're all super cute. I love the spoon. It was very unusual and definitely a conversation piece and something I'm very excited to display in my new house. And of course, I loved my accessories as per usual. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment and let me know what your favorite piece I got today was. And definitely keep an eye out on my channel. I have plenty of new videos coming soon. Ones that I've never done before, such as renovating my office into a spooky Beetlejuice paradise. And I also have a few other tours of different rooms that I'm decorating coming up that I want to show you guys. I'm very excited with the vintage mid-century modern pieces that I found to decorate my house, and I can't wait to share them with you guys. But that is it for me today. I will talk to you guys next time. Stay spooky, and I will see you later. Bye.